I set up this experiment to see whether or not sugar, salt, or nothing will cause a ice cube to melt faster. And so what we did is we just put a little bit of salt. You can see a little pile of salt on top of this particular one. And then over here, I put a pile of sugar on top of that ice cube. And then back here, I didn't put anything. So we're going to let these just melt for a few minutes. And then we're going to take a look at what's happening on the actual top of these ice cubes. Okay, it's been a while and they have been melting. So what we want to look at is the one with the salt. And if we look at the one with the salt, we can see that it has pretty much eaten its way through. Do you see that? There's a big hole kind of on the top. You may feel it right there. You can see that. Now they're all melting, but look at the deep hole that's been formed in the one with the salt. Now the one that we have the sugar on it, it's got a small hole in it, and it is definitely melting. They're all melting, but you don't see that deep hole like you do on the one with the salt on it. Now the one that's just by itself is also melting. I'll just put my hand on the other side here so we can see it's pretty smooth. It really isn't indented. So the one that's really melting the fastest here is the one that has the salt on it. So what this was here to show us is that the one with salt, which is actually running now into the one that has nothing on it, actually melted faster than the one that had sugar on it and faster than the one that had nothing on it. So salt does help ice melt faster.